Hyperpolarization is the nuclear spin polarization of a material far beyond thermal equilibrium conditions. It is commonly applied to gases such as 129Xe and 3He, where the polarization levels can be enhanced by a factor of 104 to 105 above thermal equilibrium levels. Hyperpolarized noble gases are typically used in magnetic resonance imaging of the lungs, spin exchange optical pumping. 3He and 129Xe are generally hyperpolarized using a process called spin exchange optical pumping. During this process, circularly polarized infrared laser light, tuned to the appropriate wavelength, is used to excite electrons in an alkali metal, such as cesium or rubidium, inside a sealed glass vessel. The angular momentum is transferred from the alkali metal electrons to the noble gas nuclei through collisions. Nitrogen is used as a quenching gas, which prevents the fluorescence of the polarized alkali metal, which would lead to depolarization of the noble gas. Great improvements in 129Xe hyperpolarization technology have achieved greater than 50% level at flow rates of 1 to 2 L per minute, which enables human clinical applications. Metastability exchange optical pumping. 3He can also be hyperpolarized using metastability exchange optical pumping. This process is able to polarize 3He nuclei in the ground state with optically pumped 3He nuclei in the metastable state. MEOP only involves 3He nuclei at room temperature and at low pressure. The process of MEOP is very efficient. However, compression of the gas up to atmospheric pressure is needed. Dynamic nuclear polarization. Compounds containing NMR-sensitive nuclei, such as 13C or 15N, can be hyperpolarized using dynamic nuclear polarization. DNP is typically performed at low temperature and high magnetic field. The compound is subsequently thawed and dissolved to yield a room temperature solution containing hyperpolarized nuclei. This liquid can be used in vivo metabolic imaging for oncology and other applications. The 13C polarization levels in solid compounds can reach up to 64%, and the losses during dissolution and transfer of the sample for NMR measurements can be minimized to a few percent. Compounds containing NMR-active nuclei can also be hyperpolarized using chemical reactions with parahydrogen. See parahydrogen-induced polarization. Parahydrogen-induced polarization. Molecular hydrogen, H2, contains two different spin isomers, parahydrogen and orthohydrogen, with a ratio of 25 to 75 at room temperature. Creating parahydrogen-induced polarization means that this ratio is increased, in other words that parahydrogen is enriched. This can be accomplished by cooling hydrogen gas and then inducing ortho to para conversion via an iron oxide or charcoal catalyst. When performing this procedure at ~70 K, parahydrogen is enriched from 25% to California 50%. When cooling to below 20 K and then inducing the ortho to para conversion, close to 100% parahydrogen can be obtained. For practical applications, the PHIP is most commonly transferred to organic molecules by reacting the hyperpolarized hydrogen with precursor molecules in the presence of a transition metal catalyst. Proton NMR signals with California 10,000-fold increased intensity can be obtained compared to NMR signals of the same organic molecule without PHIP, and thus only thermal polarization at room temperature.